Welcome to this ZENworks demonstration video. In this video, we will demonstrate change release and deployment tasks using the Finance Management feature in ZENworks Service Desk. Bob is an IT manager who wants to upgrade memory hardware for a series of laptops in his organization. Bob creates a change request for the hardware upgrade. Bob, who is also a technician, works on the change request. Bob assigns this request to the department manager for approval. Heather is the department manager who approves the request. Since the requested RAM hardware was not available in the stockroom, the request is moved to the procurement team and gets assigned automatically to a user from the finance department. Ranjith, who is a finance manager, starts working on the procurement process. Ranjith creates a purchase order to procure the required number of RAM units. After receiving the consignment, Ranjith creates items from the purchase order. He then assigns a contract to the item, and the invoice is created automatically. After confirming the payment, Ranjith marks the invoice paid. In like manner, he follows the same steps for the remaining items. After the procurement is complete, items are received by the stockroom, and Ranjith changes the state to release. Since the upgrade impacts a large set of employees within the organization, Bob creates a release request from the change request. Bob goes to the release request and enables the request for change control to auto-initiate a change request when the release moves to the deployment state. He changes the value of RAM for the respective item type and then creates a deployment task by selecting the Global Deployment option. Bob then submits the release for plan approval. Heather approves the plan. Bob builds and tests as per the release workflow. Once the release is ready for deployment, he asks for deployment approval. Heather approves the deployment. After Heather's approval, release goes to the deployment state. As per the RFC settings, a change request is automatically generated to control the deployment task. Technicians work on the change request and install the RAM on the laptops. After upgrading RAM hardware on the laptops, Bob closes the change request by adding a note. After all laptops are upgraded, Bob closes the deployment tasks and the release request. Bob verifies the RAM upgrade details as demonstrated here for one of the laptops. He then closes the original change request. For more information about using ZENworks Service Desk, see the ZENworks Service Desk documentation page. Thanks for watching.